What the hell? I saw it. CA61DHK. She knows too. I saw the screen of that phone lit up. I'm going to be super careful here. Hey, what's going on there? I saw him holding a phone. Let's start going here. Still holding the phone. EF66MVP. Hi. Oh, too late. You gotta put it down, mate. Oh, you don't need to talk to him. Still holding it. Amazing, huh? Does he not see the GoPro? Is he holding a phone? Sure looked like he had that open hand appearance. He's definitely got a phone open here. Let's go on the side here. I saw the phone. I saw you using the phone back there. Yeah. I will be reporting it. Oh, wait. Don't use your phone when driving. Echo Yankee 66 Foxtrot Oscar Kilo.